Hey there, kids! Today, we're going to learn all about using money to buy things. You'll learn how to use coins and bills to shop for your favorite snacks and treats. Let's get started. First, let's talk about money. Money helps us buy things we need, like food and toys. Remember, 4 quarters make $1. And 2 quarters make 50 cents.
Let's pick a few things to buy. How about an apple for $1, a juice box for $2, and a granola bar for $3? Let's add them up to see how much money we need.
First, you need to count out the right amount of money to give the cashier. You can use bills and coins like quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies to pay the cashier. Try it out! Can you count the right amount of coins to pay for the snacks?
$1 for the apple, plus $2 for the juice box, plus $3 for the granola bar. That makes $6.
Great job! Now, let's say the snacks cost $5.50. If you give the cashier a $10 bill, how much change will you get back?
$10 minus $5.50 equals $4.50. The cashier will give a change of $4.50.
Here is your change.
Thank you.
Awesome! You're a money master. Now let's have a fun quiz. Let's see if you can help us count the money. If you buy a sandwich for $4 and give the cashier a $5 bill, how much change will you get back? Did you figure it out? That's right, you'd get $1 back as change. Great job! Remember, always count your money carefully and give the right amount to the cashier. Let's keep practicing and have fun with money. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.